In this video, we're going to be installing MongoDB. Go ahead and open your web browser. Head to mongodb.com, which will bring up this page. Go ahead and click in the top right, Get MongoDB. Then you'll click Community Server. It should already have chosen the appropriate version for you. Go ahead and click Download MSI if you're on Windows. It should go ahead and start your download. This form right here is just for the newsletter, so you don't need to fill that out. It should have already started your download. After it's done downloading, go ahead and click it. That'll bring up the setup wizard. Go ahead and hit next. Accept the terms. Next. Choose complete. It's going to ask you if you want to download MongoDB Compass. Eventually we will, but not in this video. So uncheck that box. Hit next. Install. And when it's finished, go ahead and click finished. After you've downloaded and installed MongoDB, there's a few other things that we'll have to do. Go ahead and open Windows Explorer. Go to your C drive. And in here we're going to need a place for our database to live. So we need to make one folder. You got to name that data. And then within the data folder, there needs to be a folder called DB. The last thing that we need to do is add MongoD executable to our environment paths in our environment variables. That way, no matter where we are in the command prompt or terminal, we can just run MongoD and it will spin up our local server. So first thing we need to do is find out where that is. So open up your File Explorer. Mine's going to be located at Program Files, MongoDB, Server, 3.6, and Bin. And this is the executable that I'm talking about, is the MongoD. So just while we're in this folder, right click Bin up at the top, copy address. You can go ahead and close that. Then down in the search, type in advanced. View advanced system settings. Down to environment variables. Down in your system variables, find your path. Click edit. New. And then paste in that path. Now I've already got mine set up, so I'm not gonna add it again. Once you've typed that in or pasted it, go ahead and hit OK. Hit OK again. Hit OK. And you should be good to go. Now we can go ahead and see if our local MongoDB server is installed correctly and configured correctly. We'll go ahead and go to our command prompt, cmd, and now you're going to type MongoD. Now there's no B right here, it's very important. MongoD. Hit enter. And at the very last line, this is how we know we're good to go. It's going to say waiting for connections on port 27017, which is your local host. If you are having trouble with this, just go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try to help you to the best of my ability. And to get out of it, just hit Control-C, Control-C. In the next video, we'll install Compass, but at this point, you should have MongoDB installed correctly on your PC.